Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to download, install and fully configure JIT on Windows. If you are new to JIT or just getting started with the version control, this video will guide you step by step. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to jit-sem.com. Here, select Install for Windows. Download the binary for Windows x64 setup. It will automatically download the binary. Once download completes, open the installer. The setup window will appear. Just click through the next steps. Most of the default options are recommended, so you don't have to change anything unless if you have a specific requirement. During installation, JIT will ask you to choose a default editor. If you have a Visual Studio Code, select it. That's the best choice for most users. Otherwise, you can select Notepad or Notepad++. Next, you will see an important screen about the path environment variable. Make sure the option JIT from command line also from third party is selected. This allows you to use Git in both command prompt and git bash. Use OpenSSH. Continue with the recommended setting for HTTPS. Line endings. So checkout style, Windows style, commit in Unix style. So whatever the line end of character in Windows, the LF will be converted to CRLF. So in Unix, if you are committing, the end of line character will be LF. So if you are using Unix or Linux, you need to choose this option. Choosing the default option. JIT credential manager we are choosing. Now click install and wait for the setup to finish. And then click finish. You have successfully installed Git. Before using JIT, you must configure your identity. Open the command prompt or git bash and type the below command. Now the email configuration. Now these details will appear in your commit history. Whenever you are creating a new commit, your email ID and your username will appear in the commit details. To confirm that JIT is installed correctly, run JIT version. So this is the version we have installed in our system. Now let's view the Git settings. Now type git config -list. You can see our username and email details are added and our default editor settings are visible. If everything looks fine, then Git is ready to use. That's it. You have now installed and configured Git in Windows successfully. In the next video, we will explore Git command line and learn how to create a repository. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more DevOps tutorial. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.